BA 6th semester. Important question: Political Science, International Relations and Politics. 1 से लेकर 15 तक के क्वेश्चंस हो चुके थे. अब आगे देखिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Where is the headquarters of the European Union located? A. Paris. B. Berlin. C. Brussels. D. Rome. Answer है C. Brussels. Question number 17. What is the main aim of Act East policy? Question mark. A. Relation with Europe. B. Relation with Africa. C. Strengthening ties with South Asia. D. Relation with Latin America. Answer is C. Strengthening ties with Southeast Asia. Question number 18. Bipolarity refers to A. Division of Germany. B. Two superpowers dominating. C. Two political parties. D. Military rule. Answer is B. Two superpowers dominating. Question number 19. Where is the WTO headquarters located? Question mark. A. New York. B. London. C. Paris. D. Geneva. Answer is D. Geneva. Question number 20. Which country is not a not a member of BRICS? BRICS? Question mark. A. Japan. B. South Africa. D. China. C. China. D. India. Answer है A. Japan. Question number 21. Who introduced the policy of perestroika? A. Lenin. B. Stalin. C. Gorbachev. D. Khrushchev. Answer is C. Gorbachev. Question number 22. The Kyoto Protocol is related to A. Human trafficking. B. Climate change control. C. Arms control. D. refuse crisis. Answer is B. Climate change control. Question number 23. When did India become a member of the United Nations? Question mark. A. 1945. B. 1942. C. 1950. D. 1955. Answer A. 1945. Question number 24. What is the main aim of non-alignment? Question mark. A. Military alliance. B. Staying away from power blocs. D. Wage war. C. Colonization. Answer है B. किसी staying away from power blocs. Question number 25. The Cold War was mainly between A. USSR. B. India and Pakistan. C. France and Germany. D. China and Japan. Answer A. USA and USSR. Question number 26. Who embraced the importance of power in international politics? Question mark. A. Morgenthau. C. B. Kant. D. Wilson. D. Fukuyama. Answer है A. Morgenthau. Question number 27. What does the zero-sum game mean? Question mark. A. Both side gain. B. Both side loss. C. One side gain equals the other loss. D. No one wins. Answer is C. One side's gain equals the other loss. Question number 28. The principle of the collective security is based on A. One for all and all for one. B. Insulation. C. Neutrality. D. Military dictatorship. Answer है one of all and all of one. Question number 29. India foreign policy is based on which principles? Question mark. A. Imperialism. B. Colonialism. C. Peaceful co- coexi- coexistence. D. Military expansion. Answer is C. Peaceful coexistence. Question number 30. When did the Cuban Missile Crisis occur? Question mark A. 1962, B. 1956, D. C. 1965, D. 1971. Answer है A. 1962. Question number 31. How many member countries are there in SARC? Question mark A. 6, B. 7, C. 9, D. 8. Answer है D. 8. Question number 32. The euro is the common currency of A. Asian, B. European Union, D. C. British, D. OPEC. Answer है B. European Union. Question number 33. Which country withdrew from the European Union is 2020? Question mark A. France, B. Germany, C. United Kingdom, D. Italy. Answer is C. United Kingdom. Question number 34. Who possesses veto power in the UN Security Council? Question mark A. All members, B. Non-permanent members, C. Secretary General, D. Permanent member. Answer is D. Permanent member. Question number 35. Greece includes which countries? Question mark A. Brazil, B. Russia, C. India, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question number 36. The Marshall Plan was related to A. Reconstruction of Europe, B. Development of Asia, C. Nuclear policy, D. Colonial expansion. Answer A. Reconstruction of Europe. Question number 37. The Cold War period is generally considered as A. 1939 से 1945, B. 1947 से 1991, C. 1914 से 1918 तक, D. 1916 से 1918. आंसर है बी. 1947 से 1940 मतलब 1991 तक. Question number 38. The language of the nations was established after A. World War I, B. World War II, C. Cold War, D. Gulf War. Answer है A. World War First. Question number 39. When did World War II end? Question mark A. 1943, B. 1950, C. 1940, D. 1945. Answer है D. 1945. Question number 40. What is the main function of the Security Council? Question mark A. Trade regulations, B. maintain in international peace, C. education, D. health. आंसर है B. maintain international peace. Question number 41. What does NATO stand for? Question mark A. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, B. National Atomic Treaty Organization, C. Nuclear Alliance Treaty Organization, D. New Atlantic Treaty Organization. Answer है A. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Question number 42. Where was the first meeting of the non-allegiant movement held? Question mark A. Badung, B. Belgrade, C. Geneva, D. Paris. Answer है B. Belgrade. Question number 43. Weapons of mass destruction include A. Nuclear, B. Chemical, C. Biological, D. All of the above. Answer है D. All of the above. Question number 42. Foreign policy is formulated to achieve a personal interest, the national interests. C. Part party interests. C. Religious interests. Answer is B. National interest. Question number 45. System theory mainly focus on A. International politics, B. A. Internal policy, B. International structures, C. Elect, electoral, D. C. Electoral system, D. Cultural. Answer is B. International structure. Question number 46. During the Cold War, the world system was A. Unipolar, B. Bipolar, C. Multipolar, D. Colonial. Answer is B. Bipolar. Question number 47. National moral is which element of national power? Question mark. A. Tangible, B. Intangible, C. Temporary, D. Geographical. Answer is B. Intangible. Question number 48. The purpose of the economic sanction is A. Cultural exchange, B. Education, C. Support, D. Political purpose. Answer is C, D. Political purpose. Question number 49. SDGs were adopted by A. NATO, B. United Nations, D. IMF, D. BRICS. Answer is B. United Nations. Question number 50. How many votes does each member have in a UN General Assembly? A1, B2, C3, D5. Answer A1. Question number 51. Politics is associated with A. Realism, B. Liberalism, C. Idealism, D. Marxism. Answer A. Realism. Question number 52. What is the meaning of globalization? Question mark. A. Isolated of states. B. Increase in interconnectedness among countries. C. End of trade. D. Military expansion. Answer is B. Increase interconnected interconnectedness interconnectedness increase interconnectedness among countries. Question number 53. Neo-realism is associated with the which scholar? Question mark. A. Hans Morgenthau, B. Kenneth Voltage, C. Karl Marx, D. Robert Kiyosaki. Answer B. Kenneth Voltage. Question number 54. In which year was a United Nations established? Question mark. A. 1919, B. 1950, C. 1939, D. 1945. Answer है 1945. Question number 55. The doctrine of no first use relates to A. Nuclear weapon policy, B. Trade policy, C. Climate change, D. Human rights. Answer A. Nuclear weapons policy. Question number 56. Where was the non-alignment movement formally established? Question mark. A. 1950, B. 1961, D. 1968, D. 1970. Answer B. 1961. Question number 57. Where is the International Court of Justice located? Question mark. A. Geneva, B. New York, C. The Hague, D. Paris. Answer is C. The Hague. Question number 58. When did India become a nuclear power? Question mark. A. 1971, B. 1974, C. 1984, D. 1992. Answer is B. 1974. Question number 59. What is the aim of balanced balance of power, question mark. A, promoted dictatorship. B, maintain international stability. C, interdiplomacy. D, establish world government. Answer B, maintain international stability. Question number 16. Who is primarily associated with the theory of and ideology? Question mark. A, Karl Marx. B, Karl Marx. D, Daniel Bell. C, John Locke. D, Plato. Answer B, Daniel Bell. Question number 61. How many permanent members are there in a UN Security Council? Question mark. A, 4, B, 6, C, 5, D, 10. Answer is C, 5. Question number 62. The prison's and dilemma. Prisoner's dilemma is related to A, liberalism, B, balance of power, C, game theory, D, collective security. Answer is C, game theory. Question number 63. What is the main objective of the NPT? Question mark. A, promoted nuclear weapons. B, prevent the spread of nuclear weapons. And C, encourage war. D, support military alliances. Answer B, prevent the spread of nuclear weapons. Question number 64. Who is considered the main proponent of idealism in international politics? Question mark. A, C, Hanks Morgenthau. D, Thomas Hobbes. Answer B, Woodrow Wilson. Question number 65. WTO mainly regulates A, military alliance. B, environmental treaties. D, human rights laws. D, international trade rule. Answer D, international trade rule. Question number 66. The mainly security challenge of the 21st century is A, colonialism. B, cyber threats and terrorism. D, feudalism. D, imperialism. Answer B, cyber threats and terrorism. Question number 67. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations located? Question mark. A, Geneva. B, Paris. C, New York. D, London. Answer is C, New York. Question number 68. The Cold War ended primarily due to A, direct war. B, economic weakness of USSR. C, NATO attack. D, UN intervention. Answer B, economic weakness of USSR. Question number 16. What is the meaning of sustainable development? Question mark. A, unlimited industrial growth. B, development without harming future generations. C, military expansion. D, economic insulate. Answer B, development without harming future generation. Question number 17. India Question number 70. India adopted the policy of non-alignment under the leadership of A, Lal Bahadur Shastri. B, Jawaharlal Nehru. D, C, Mahatma Gandhi. D, Indira Gandhi. Answer B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 71. Who wrote the famous book The End of the Ideology? Question mark. A, Francis Fukuyama. B, Hannah Arendt. C, Robert Dahl. D, Daniel Bell. Answer है D, Daniel Bell. Question number 72. The SALT agreement were between A, India and China. B, NATO and EU. D, Europe. C, USA and USSR. D. China and Japan. Answer is C. USA and USSR. Question number 73. Which of the following is a primary sources of international law? Question mark. A. Treaties. mm, B. Newspaper. C. Political speeches. D. Media reports. Answer है A. Treatise. Question number 74. Pencil principles were signed between India and A. USA. B. USSR. C. China. D. Pakistan. Answer is C. China. Question number 75. Human rights are primarily concerned with A. Military power. B. Basic freedoms and dignity of individuals. C. Trade policy. D. Territorial expansion. Answer है B. Basic freedom and dignity of individuals. Question number 76. What is the objective of the CTBT? Question mark. A. Ban all the nuclear explosions. B. Allowed nuclear tests. C. Prompt arms race and NATO. Answer है A. Ban all nuclear explosion. Question number 77. Balance of power can maintain thought. A. Alliance. B. Armament. C. Compensation. D. All of the above. Answer है D. All of the above. Question number 78. When was the World Trade Organization established? Question mark. A. 1945. B. 1989. C. 1995. D. 2001. Answer है C. 1995. Question number 79. Who wrote the book The Clash of Civilization and the Remarking of World Order? Question mark. A. Samuel P. Huntington. B. Francis Fukuyama. A. Samuel P. Huntington. B. Francis Fukuyama. C. Robert Dahl. D. Anthony Giddens. Answer है A. Samuel P. Huntington. Question number 18. QUAD is main related to which region? Question mark. A. North America. B. Europe. C. Africa. D. Indo-Pacific region. Answer है D. Indo-Pacific region. Question number 81. When did India become a full member of SCO? Question mark. A. 2010. B. 2012. C. 2019. D. 2022. Answer is C. 2017. Question number 82. Which organization replaced GATT in 1995? Question mark. A. WTO. B. IMF. C. NATO. D. OP. A. WTO. C. NATO. D. OPC. Answer है A. WTO. Question number 83. Which countries are member of the QUAD? Question mark. A. India, USA, Japan and Australia. C. India, China, Russia and Japan. D. C. USA, Russia, China and India. Question number D. मतलब D option. India, USA, Japan and China. Answer है A. India, USA, Japan and Australia. Question number 84. When did the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty NPT come into force? Question mark. A. 1965. B. 1961. D. 1917. D. 1975. Answer is C. 1970. Question number 85. regional organizations mainly promote a globalization dictatorship. B. Regional peace of cooperation. C. Colonial expansion. D. Insulation. Answer B. Regional peace of cooperation. Question number 86. How many principal organs does the United Nations have? Question mark A 6, B 5, C 4, D 7. Answer है A 6. Question number 87. Which country Prime Minister first proposed the India of QUAD Quad? Question mark A Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. B. India Prime Minister. C. The President of the USA. D. None of the above. Answer A. Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Question number 88. The Doklam dispute was between India and A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. China, D. Bangladesh. Answer is C. China. Question number 89. What is the full form of BIMSTEC? Question mark A. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. B. Bengal International Trade and Economic Council. C. Bengal Multinational Security Treaty. D. None of the above. Answer A. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Question number 19. What does the term arms race refer to? Question mark A. Competitive compensation between states to build more weapons. A. Cultural compensation. B. Trade rivalry. D. Election campaign. Answer A. Compensation between states to build more weapons. Question number 91. What is the main objective of the India foreign policy? A. Expand territory. B. Promote national interest and war peace. C. Support colonialism. D. Power politics. Answer B. Promote national interest and world peace. Question number 99. OPEC is related to A. Nuclear policy. B. All exporting countries. C. Human rights. D. Climate change. Answer है B. All exporting countries. Question number 93. The Cold War was best described as a direct military conflict. B. Ideological and strategic rivalry. B. Colonial war. C. Civil war. Answer B. Ideological and strategic rivalry. Question number 94. Idealism in international politics emphasizes which of the following? Question mark A. Power of military force. B. National interest. C. Molarity. International law and institutions. D. Economic cooperation. Answer is C. Molarity. Answer is C. Molarity. International law and institution. Question number 95. During whose tenure as Prime Minister was a Look East policy initiated in India foreign policy? foreign policy? A. Rajiv Gandhi. B. P.V. Narasimha Rao. C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. D. Manmohan Singh. Answer है B. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Question number 96. Which scholar is associated with the development of system theory is international politics? Question mark. A. Martyr Kaplan. B. Machiavelli. C. Thomas Hobbes. D. Kenneth Walters. Answer है A. Martin Kaplan. Question number 97. When was Asian stabilized? Question mark. A. 1967. B. 1960. D. C. 1970. D. 1980. Answer है A. 1967. Question number 98. How many main types of international systems were identified by Morton Kaplan? Question mark. A. 6. B. 4. C. 2. D. 5. Answer A. 6. Question number 99. Who was the leader of Germany during the Second World War? Question mark. A. Benito Mussolini. B. Adolf Hitler. C. Franklin Roosevelt. D. Winston Churchill. Answer है B. Adolf Hitler. Question number 100. The concept of national security includes A. Military, economics and international stability. B. Only military defenses. C. One only trade. D. None of the above. Answer A. Military, economic and international stability. आपके 1 से लेके 100 तक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं। अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आता है तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। हमारे चैनल पर ऐसे ही और भी इम्पॉर्टेंट अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पड़े हुए हैं। अगर आप चाहें तो उन्हें विजिट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो।